Hi, I'm Pam Day, and it's Testimony Tuesday. It's the end of a very long day. I had a very full day, and I had to come home from work and help my husband with something. And so I just wanted to share a quick poem that I wrote back in 1998. And the title of the poem is The Devil Tried to Knock Me Out Today. And I think it's appropriate because a lot of us are going through these things where we feel like we're coming under the attack of the devil throughout things that are happening through us on a daily basis. So here goes. I hope you enjoy. The devil tried to knock me out today while sending all types of troubles my way. Son got suspended 3 days from school, determined he was going to break every kind of rule. Bill collectors constantly ringing my telephone while I already know my next paycheck is gone. Children crying out about what they need, but there's not one chance for obedience will they take heed. Feeling hurt in my heart and body racked with pain, nearly fell in his walk, I had nothing to gain. Boom, he took a swing, he even knocked me down. But you never guessed where I landed and came to be found. Swish, he left me so quick, finding nothing in me to appease. For when my body went down, I landed right on my knees. So when you're feeling mighty low and the devil takes a swing, don't forget whose you are and remember this one thing. He might take a swing and he may even knock you down, but you're still the one who's standing right on solid ground. And if you happen to go down, when he hits you with something one day, he will certainly leave you alone if you only start to pray. I hope you enjoyed that. It's Testimony Tuesday. What's your testimony? Be blessed.